This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish soup Indian-style easy guide. Start by choosing firm fish and marinating briefly, then prep aromatics and spices so everything cooks evenly. Heat oil slowly, temper whole spices, and build a tangy broth with tomatoes and tamarind. Add fish last and simmer until just flaky, then finish with fresh cilantro and lemon for bright flavor and balance. Gathering and prepping ingredients ahead saves time and keeps the cooking smooth and calm. Chop onions, tomatoes, and cilantro, grate ginger and crush garlic, and measure spices and tamarind. Keep fish portions uniform so they cook evenly, and set water and oil nearby to speed the process. This setup helps you focus on timing and flavor, and prevents overcooking or last-minute improvisation at the stove. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker keeps my kitchen playlists and timers in sync while I cook, and it makes recipe steps hands-free. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like. I picked the Echo Dot for its compact size and smart features that suit small kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by heating oil, then temper mustard seeds and curry leaves for a nutty, aromatic base. Sauté onions until soft, add ginger, garlic, and tomatoes, and let the tomatoes break down into a sauce. Stir in ground spices, tamarind, and 3 cups water, then bring to a gentle boil. Add fish chunks and reduce heat, simmering until they flake easily, then garnish and serve hot with rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.